All right, so guys, this is number 13 out of 11.1, and it says one card is selected at random from a deck of cards. Find the probability that the card selected is a card greater than 2 and less than 6. Okay, so we want it to be greater than 2 but smaller than 6. So guys, first thing I'm going to do here on my next slide, if I can get there, here we go. Here's our picture of our deck of cards. So we know that we have a total, right? So we have a total of 52 cards, right? And we want the cards to be greater than 2 and smaller than 6, okay? So if I come back over here, what numbers are bigger than 2 and smaller than 6? These right here, right? So those are my cards that are bigger than 2 and smaller than 6. So how many cards do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to say the probability of greater than 2 and smaller than 6 is 12 out of 52. Okay, and then what we're going to do now, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and reduce my fraction, right? So first thing we know is, let me go ahead and say, let's divide them both by 2, okay? So let's go by 2. So this is going to be 6 over 26. And then we can say, you know what, let's divide them by 2 again. And that's going to be 3 over 13, okay? So my point here, guys, is when I'm trying to reduce my fraction, some people might say, you know what, why don't you just divide them both by 4? Yeah, we can do that. But my point, and you would come up with this answer right away. But if you can't see that you can't, that 4 is going to go into both, then since we know that they're both even, just go by 2, okay? And then just keep going until we can't go anymore. And at this point, I know that 3 doesn't go into 13. So right here, this is going to be my final answer. So we'll just say 3 over, there we go, 3 over 13, okay? If y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.